The highlights of today's defense news. Hyderabad-based Vector Technics announces global launch of eVector. DRDO invites Indian industry partners to collaborate on an advanced UAV collision avoidance system. DRDO seeks Indian expertise for high-power laser weapon system. India's GalaxEye developing satellite with multiple sensors for Earth observation. Naval Group hosts CDS Gen Anil Chauhan eyes additional Scorpene deal. India and El Salvador forge collaboration in 5G and infrastructure development. India and Iran to sign Chabahar contract after the 24 elections. Airbus flies Racer high-speed helicopter. US Air Force picks Anduril General Atomics for next round of CCA work. The Hyderabad-based Vector Technics announced the global launch of eVector counter-rotating motors. The eVector series aims to revolutionize propulsion systems for drones and UAVs with improved efficiency and maneuverability. These motors offer enhanced stability control and extended flight times due to their advanced engineering and materials. The unveiling at Exponential Trade Show in San Diego positions Vector Techniques to connect with potential customers and partners in the unmanned systems industry. DRDO is inviting Indian industry partners to collaborate on an advanced UAV collision avoidance system. The project aims to develop a system for medium and high altitude long endurance UAVs to detect and avoid potential collisions. The design includes an airborne ASA radar, a sense and avoid processor, ADS-B technology, and associated ground displays. The system will undergo rigorous testing and will be integrated with existing traffic collision alert and identification friend or foe systems. The DRDO is advancing in high-energy laser weapons through its Center for High Energy Systems and Sciences (CHESS). DRDO has issued an EOI for Indian vendors to aid in designing and developing a large aperture beam control system for a high-powered laser. Directed energy weapons use high-powered lasers to silently and precisely neutralize various targets, minimizing collateral damage. This initiative invites domestic collaboration to bolster India's defense capabilities and move towards self-reliance in critical defense technology. The Bangalore-based GalaxEye Space is developing a satellite that can carry multiple sensors for Earth observation to support the requirements of the Indian Armed Forces. Mr. Deb Jyotipal, the Senior Vice President of the business of GalaxEye, said the company is planning to launch the satellite into space in early 25 for evaluation. This low Earth observation satellite will host an electro-optic sensor and a synthetic aperture radar with both sensors capturing data simultaneously to provide a more holistic view of strategic areas of interest. The French defense contractor Naval Group hosted India's Chief of Defense Staff, General Anil Chauhan, in Paris. The visit emphasized the ongoing defense cooperation between France and India and discussions on procuring three additional Scorpene-class submarines. The focus was on indigenous manufacturing of the submarines by Mazagon Docks, aligning with India's self-reliance in defense. The Scorpene-class submarines are noted for their stealth, versatility, and advanced features, enhancing India's maritime defense. India and El Salvador are embarking on a journey of collaboration aimed at advancing telecommunications and infrastructure development. Reliance Jio, based in Mumbai, showcased its expertise in 5G technology, offering valuable insights into potential implementations in El Salvador's telecom sector. The discussions underlined a mutual commitment to fostering connectivity infrastructure, laying the ground for future cooperation. In addition to Mumbai, the delegation visited the Center for Development of Telematics in New Delhi. Engaging with officials at CDOT provided a platform for discussions on telecommunications development and technology innovation. This exchange of ideas facilitated collaborations and knowledge sharing between India and El Salvador, enhancing telecom infrastructure and services. India and Iran have finalized a long-term contract for the development of the Chabahar port. A high-level delegation led by the Indian Minister for Shipping will be visiting Iran after the general elections. The visit, to take place in the second half of 24, will see the signing of the contract that will pave the way for full exploitation of the strategic port located in southeastern Iran and developed with Indian aid. Some global highlights: Airbus Helicopters has flown its rapid and cost-efficient rotorcraft racer concept for the first time. The milestone took place at Airbus Helicopters' Marignane production facility in southern France, with the maiden flight lasting for approximately 30 minutes, during which the aircraft's flight characteristics were assessed. The US defense startup Anduril and drone maker General Atomics Aeronautical Systems have been picked up by the US Air Force to build and test drone prototypes for the next phase of the service's Collaborative Combat Aircraft program. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and we will be glad to get a feedback from you. Thank you.